Hello, Darren Martineau here from Master Magic Shop. In this video, I'm going to talk about my project, uh, which is a tribute to Jimmy Grippo. Uh, Jimmy Grippo, I known from the Magic Club, from the Gary Darwin's Magic Club in Las Vegas. Ever since I was 15 years old, that's where I met my mentor, Alan Ackerman. And there was many people like Jimmy that were there regularly at the club, such as Johnny Paul, Lou Lancaster, many of my mentors. I had many mentors. Jimmy Grippo, although he was not my mentor, he was like a mentor because I got to watch him do magic a lot. And my friend Joey Burton was a protege, used to follow Jimmy around a lot. And there was only a couple proteges that I know of Jimmy Grippo. And that was Gino Minari, who I used to work for at the Houdini's Magic Shop, and Joey Burton, like I said. So in this project, although it's not all of Jimmy's magic because there's so much, and I'm not showing the card index and I'm not showing how he did the envelope thing just because card indexes are very common among magicians, although Jimmy had the best one and he didn't teach it. And although I do know how he did his magic, I watched him. This is how I learned the one-handed top palm and many other things. Um, I teach magic that's inspired by Jimmy on this, and also many of his things, like he do the coins to the table, and many of the effects that he do of his style. So this is um, the tribute to Jimmy Grippo, and I'm going to teach a lot of really incredible things. A lot of coin magic he's taught me. I learned by watching, but like I said, I had friends that were very close proteges. So enjoy this project. Thank you very much.